Yoga and Tai Chi. Yoga and Tai Chi are two ancient practices that have stood the test of time, offering profound benefits for physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Rooted in Eastern traditions and philosophies, these practices share a common emphasis on mindfulness, breath awareness, and gentle movement to promote balance, harmony, and vitality. In this video, we'll drill into the origins and principles of yoga and Tai Chi, their respective benefits, and practical insights into incorporating these practices into modern life for enhanced health and wellness. Origins and principles. Yoga originated in ancient India over 5,000 years ago as a holistic system for cultivating physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to yoke or unite, symbolizing the union of body, mind, and spirit. Yoga encompasses a wide range of practices, including physical postures, asanas, breath control, pranayama, meditation, dhyana, and ethical guidelines, yamas and niyamas. The practice of yoga aims to create harmony and balance within the body and mind, fostering a sense of connection to oneself, others, and the universe. Through mindful movement, conscious breathing, and inner reflection, practitioners cultivate awareness, presence, and inner peace. Tai Chi, also known as Tai Chi Chuan or Tai Chi Quan, originated in ancient China as a martial art and internal energy practice. The roots of Tai Chi can be traced back to Taoist philosophy and principles of balance, harmony, and the interplay of yin and yang energies. Tai Chi is characterized by slow, flowing movements performed with focused attention and relaxed awareness. The practice of Tai Chi is based on the cultivation of Qi, pronounced Qi, or life energy, within the body, which flows along meridian channels. By harmonizing body, breath, and mind, Tai Chi promotes the smooth circulation of Qi, fostering health, vitality, and longevity. Tai Chi is often described as moving meditation, as it combines physical movement with mental focus and inner stillness. Benefits of yoga and Tai Chi. Physical benefits. Improved flexibility and range of motion. Both yoga and Tai Chi incorporate gentle stretching and movement patterns that promote flexibility and mobility in the muscles and joints. Regular practice can increase range of motion, reduce stiffness, and enhance overall physical flexibility. Enhanced strength and balance. Yoga and Tai Chi utilize body weight resistance and mindful movement to strengthen muscles, improve balance, and enhance stability. These practices engage the core, lower body, and upper body muscles, promoting functional strength and coordination. Pain relief and injury prevention. The gentle, low-impact nature of yoga and Tai Chi makes them suitable for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. These practices can help alleviate chronic pain, such as back pain, arthritis, and joint stiffness, while reducing the risk of injuries by improving body mechanics and alignment. Improved posture and body awareness. Yoga and Tai Chi emphasize proper alignment, posture, and body mechanics, helping practitioners develop greater awareness of their physical posture and movement patterns. By promoting spinal alignment, core stability, and postural symmetry, these practices support optimal body alignment and balance. Mental and emotional benefits. Stress reduction and relaxation. Both yoga and Tai Chi incorporate breath awareness, mindfulness, and relaxation techniques to calm the mind and reduce stress. The rhythmic, flowing movements of Tai Chi and the focused attention of yoga promote relaxation, inner peace, and emotional well-being. Enhanced mental clarity and concentration. The meditative aspects of yoga and Tai Chi cultivate mental clarity, concentration, and present moment awareness. By quieting the mind and reducing mental chatter, these practices improve focus, cognitive function, and decision-making skills. Emotional balance and resilience. Yoga and Tai Chi provide a safe and supportive space for exploring and processing emotions, fostering emotional awareness and resilience. These practices promote self-acceptance, self-regulation, and emotional balance, helping practitioners navigate life's challenges with greater ease and equanimity. Spiritual benefits. Connection to self and spirit. Yoga and Tai Chi encourage self-inquiry, introspection, and spiritual exploration, inviting practitioners to deepen their connection to themselves and the greater universe. Through practices such as meditation, chanting, and visualization, individuals can cultivate a sense of inner peace, purpose, and spiritual fulfillment. Cultivation of Qi and vital energy. In Tai Chi philosophy, Qi is considered the life force or vital energy that animates all living beings. Through the practice of Tai Chi, practitioners learn to cultivate and circulate Qi within the body, harmonizing the flow of energy and promoting health, vitality, and longevity. Alignment with natural rhythms. Both yoga and Tai Chi are rooted in principles of harmony with nature and alignment with natural rhythms. These practices encourage attunement to the cycles of the seasons, the movements of the sun and moon, and the elements of earth, water, fire, air, and ether, fostering a deeper connection to the natural world. Practical insights into practice. Finding the right style. Explore different styles and traditions of yoga and Tai Chi to find the practice that resonates with you. Whether you prefer the dynamic flow of Vinyasa Yoga, the precise movements of Iyengar Yoga, or the gentle grace of Tai Chi, there are myriad options to suit your preferences and needs. Starting slow and gradual. Begin your practice with gentle, beginner-friendly classes or instructional videos that introduce basic poses and movements in a supportive environment. Take your time to build strength, flexibility, and confidence gradually, honoring your body's needs and limitations. Cultivating mindfulness and presence. Approach your practice with an attitude of mindfulness, presence, and non-judgmental awareness. Use each breath and movement as an opportunity to connect with yourself, tune into your body, and cultivate inner stillness and peace. Listening to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and sensations during practice, modifying poses or movements as needed to accommodate any discomfort or pain. Honor your body's limitations and avoid pushing yourself beyond your edge, respecting your body's wisdom and intelligence. Consistency and commitment. Establish a regular practice routine that fits into your daily schedule and lifestyle, committing to regular attendance or self-practice sessions. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of yoga and Tai Chi, so make it a priority in your life. Seeking guidance and support. Consider seeking guidance from experienced teachers, instructors, or mentors who can provide personalized instruction, feedback, and support on your journey. Joining a supportive community or online group can also offer encouragement, accountability, and camaraderie along the way. Yoga and Tai Chi are ancient practices that offer profound benefits for physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Through mindful movement, breath awareness, and inner reflection, these practices promote balance, harmony, and vitality in modern life. By incorporating yoga and Tai Chi into your daily routine, you can experience greater flexibility, strength, relaxation, and inner peace, cultivating a holistic sense of well-being that nourishes body, mind, and spirit. Embrace the wisdom of these ancient traditions as you embark on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation, honoring the interconnectedness of all aspects of your being. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.